Namaskaram. I've just arrived at Assi Ghat in Kashi. Let's explore this sacred city together.
Taking a dip in Ma Ganga's waters. This feels truly divine. Jai Ganga Maiya.
These gullies are magical. Every turn has something ancient. That's the soul of Kashi.
This is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas. Just being here is a blessing.
This lassi is legendary. Thick, sweet, and totally Kashi style.
This view, this river. Kashi speaks through the Ganga's silence.
I'm getting ready for the Ganga Aarti. These flowers carry our prayers.
Namaste friends, I'm here at Dashashwamedh Ghat. This Ganga Aarti, it's divine. I can feel peace vibrating through the air.
This city never sleeps, but it teaches peace like no other.
Thank you, Kashi. Your energy will stay in my heart forever. Jai Ganga Maiya.